From the KATC Weatherland, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, it looks to be quite unsettled as we round out the week. Shower and thunderstorm chances on the way up. Tomorrow, not a washout, but there'll be some scattered showers and some locally heavy storms. More so a washout going into Thursday night, Friday early at least. More rains on the way Friday at some point Friday night. Ending, we hope, sometime on Saturday. Easter Sunday looking a little bit better. But let's take a look at the big picture as we look at what's happening across much of the U.S. and the lower 48 here. And again, you can see pretty much one feature that stands out. Showers and storms that span from southeast Texas all the way up through the Great Lakes. Snow on the backside of this system. And we do have severe thunderstorm watches that go from the Great Lakes all the way back to Point Coupee Parish in Louisiana. The ones local are till 10 o'clock tonight. Still winter storm advisories and blizzard warnings for portions of the Dakotas and Minnesota. But this is the main weather maker. Boy, look at the size of this severe thunderstorm warning right here. Looked like it was a derecho setting up, and a derecho is a wide swath of damaging winds, and usually you see it with a bow echo and it takes on a life of its own, but it seems to have weakened nonetheless. But severe thunderstorm warnings embedded within these severe thunderstorm watches, but not a whole lot of warnings close to home. There's one just to the west of Jackson, but you can see as we bring in 9 sweeping Doppler radars across the region that there is showers and some strong, intense thunderstorms across western Louisiana through the northern part of the state back through southeast Texas. And this is going to be pretty much the story over the next 12 to 24 hours, where the heaviest rain axis is going to be mainly north and west of Acadiana proper. But as of this afternoon, you can see strong cells into northwestern Beauregard Parish. It's been a rainy, stormy day across Vernon Parish, portions of Rapides Parish as well. And again, a lot of cloud-to-ground lightning indicating some strong winds here. Torrential downpours by the Maryville area, then through DeRidder, up through Fort Polk, and then spanning up into the northeastern part of the state, where we do have that severe thunderstorm watch that goes as far south as, we'll say, just by the Mississippi River there, out of Acadiana, though. In Acadiana, as we take a look at Power Doppler 3, we get rid of some of the noise, and we're just seeing a few spotty showers of Angeline Parish, and then extreme northern St. Landry Parish up through the Bunkie area. We're seeing a couple of downpours here, but no severe weather, and we're not expecting severe weather. The main threat's going to be locally heavy rainfall, but you can always get a pulse severe storm when it gets busy this time of year. Now, regionally across the area, Power Doppler 3, Acadiana's Doppler radar, not indicating a whole lot. Here's that flood watch I mentioned across western Louisiana into southeast Texas. This is through Saturday morning. This watch area will likely expand back to the southwest and then farther northeast, and probably bridge with this flood watch that's up here in Mississippi. But that's what we have for now. So in Acadiana, no flood watches at this point. And we'll show you why. We got this frontal boundary coming in. We showed you that a little bit earlier, but it kind of stalls out across the area. Even though our winds may come around out of the north at times tomorrow, we're not expecting much cooling. So cloudy skies tonight, the threat of a passing shower or thunder shower, and much the same goes into tomorrow morning. But by the afternoon, we're going to see a little bit more instability. Notice our wind shifting around out of the northeast. Once you get on the north side of this frontal boundary, that's when the rain chances actually go up, and that's going to stay with us through tomorrow evening. In fact, rain and thunderstorms get more concentrated. You can see we'll have more widespread activity moving in during the morning hours on Friday, and then maybe another round going into Friday afternoon, evening, overnight hours. And the Euro model pretty much shows that as well. A very unsettled weather pattern, much of Friday going through Saturday morning. But hopefully by Saturday afternoon, drying out. We get into Easter Sunday, we'll see temperatures right at sunrise services in the lower 60s, so a little cool. And then during the afternoon, staying in the lower 70s with mostly cloudy skies. But at least we have it dry for your Easter Sunday. Here's the rainfall. The rainfall, heaviest threat of rain, southeast Texas into eastern Texas. And then it looks like central Louisiana, very close to home. So we got to go for several inches of rain. We'll go for about 1 to 4 locally. And you see those temperatures kind of dancing around between 80s close to home and 60s off to the north. So overnight tonight, we'll keep rain chance at about 40%. Winds eventually shifting out of the north by daybreak or around that time. Showers scattered, maybe an isolated storm going into tomorrow. A 70% chance of scattered activity. It's not going to be a widespread day, but there'll likely be showers and storms, especially as we get into the afternoon hours. As we progress into the 10-day forecast, the soaking rains most likely tomorrow night, Friday, Friday, Friday night, early Saturday, and then things quieting down. And look at next week. Beauty, 70s and 80s, comfortable humidity, lots of sun. And I'll be off shift that
You will be
week,
off
so,
shift, okay.
Yes. Going to a
Well,
hurricane
We'll both be
conference.
here? I don't know. Look at
Getting
that.
ready.
That's kinda
I'm getting
nice.
ready for.
We can figure it out.
Figure it
I'm
out.
getting ready for hurricane season. So
Oh, that's
the
right.
reason
Okay,
why.
so
You're
you're
actually kind of
working.
working a little bit.
Yeah, I would do
A little
this.
bit.
Work,
Yeah.
work. Yeah, a little bit.
Thanks, Rob. Stay with us. We check national news after this.